If your Telegram download is stuck and nothing seems to be moving, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is a common issue on desktop, and the good news is that it's usually caused by a simple app glitch, connection setting, or security software blocking the transfer. So before you start reinstalling anything or wasting time guessing, follow these steps in order. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, restart the Telegram app completely. On Windows, find the Telegram icon in your system tray, right-click it, and choose Quit. On Mac, look in the menu bar, right-click the Telegram icon, and also choose Quit. This is important because closing the window is not always enough. You want Telegram fully shut down so it can refresh its connection when it opens again. After that, reopen Telegram and try your download again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix a stuck download because the app reconnects properly and clears temporary glitches. If the download is still stuck, the next thing to check is your TCP or connection settings inside Telegram desktop. Open the app, go to Settings, then choose Advanced and look for connection type. Here, set it to Use System Proxy Settings. This helps Telegram use your device's network configuration instead of forcing a connection mode that may be causing the file transfer to freeze. Once you change that setting, close the Settings menu and test the download again. If it starts working, great, you found the issue. If not, there is one more very common cause to check, and that is your antivirus or firewall software. Some third-party security programs can block Telegram from completing file downloads, especially if the app thinks the connection or file transfer looks suspicious. Temporarily disable your antivirus firewall just long enough to test the download. Then go back to Telegram and see if the file begins downloading normally. If it does, you'll know the security software is the cause. In that case, you can add Telegram to the allowed apps list or adjust the firewall rules instead of leaving protection off. Just remember, if you turn off antivirus or firewall protection, do it only briefly and re-enable it right after testing. Those are the main fixes for a Telegram download stuck problem. Fully quit and restart the app, change the connection type to Use System Proxy Settings, and temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall software if it's blocking the transfer. Try these in order, and most of the time your download will start moving again without any complicated steps. If this tutorial helped, please tap like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.